I'm not even gonna put the number on there because somebody would be like, "That's not right." This is a thermal fuse plug, so obviously when it gets hot, tire goes flat. Or in your case, it was weeping. This right here, Kyle, we pulled the tire off, popped it over, laid it over, got some leak detect, squirted right here on the top. This one had a little bubble, but this one right here just woo, swelled up real quick.
So the center of that has got different metal than the other.
It's a softer.
And it comes through the center when it's
softer metal.
Yeah.
And if you look closely here, you can start to see where the metal is starting to shrink down a little bit or soften up. But it's from all those hard braking moments on the right turns.
Well, I probably have made a turn or two to the right. That may be just a little bit normal, unnormal.
If they weren't on there, if the tire's getting that hot, it could explode. So that's to prevent it from exploding.
So that's a safety feature.
Right. And then we went ahead and put new ones in all the way around.
So 3 of them total.
Yep. 2 horsepower. I sent you a video. Did you get it?
Yeah. That was I was sitting there in the chair. I was watching Mississippi State over at the College World Series. And the phone rang, and I figured it was a telemarketer. So I didn't get up, and then it beeped, and I said, well, something's going on. So I went up there and got it, and it was Kyle.
Found your culprit. This little doohickey right here. He's leaking. Also known as your fuse plug. The other ones are good. That's alright.
I'm glad.
Take a video of it so you can see
the
chia pet that came out of it.
I want to see the wheel. That's pretty good. I called y'all yesterday, and they're here today. You don't get much service like that.
We tried. It took a little bit, but...
You watching, Maggie? Huh?
A little rearranging, and we can make some stuff work. So.
Well, I appreciate it.
No problem.
So we can continue on Monday.
Yeah, baseball?
No. I don't know where we going Monday. Fort Smith. Home away from home, and then Greeley,
Colorado.
No, is it South Carolina?
Oh, Greeley. That's where.
Is that right, Greeley?
Is it next to Bowman?
I don't know. I hadn't even looked at it.
Santee.
Oh,
Greeley. Isn't
I never heard of. I think I might have heard of Greeley one time.
Aircraft facility. Westar.
Same truck.
Same truck. A lot of parts.
Oh, a lot of new parts
No,
on the truck. Oh, new parts in the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the truck had broke down. Y'all put new parts on the truck. Oh, okay.
They can't play that.
All right.